Hi YouTube, welcome to Wes Picks and Stock Lock Sunday. Today I've got a beast of a padlock. It's a Federal lock, and it's the 30p, the 30mm, sort of slightly closed, half closed shackle. Works a treat, and there's the bitting on the key. So let's see if we can get into it. So these little padlocks, they can be quite tough, really. So good start. The tension wrench has slipped. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the front. Number 1 down. And we're in. There. Sadly, it's not rebuildable or repinnable or guttable for that matter. So anyway, lovely little lock, so well made, and thank you very much. That was Stock Lock Sunday. Bye.